kitchen garden. You know, 3 small cute cucumbers are hiding over there. Come on, let's check. The first one. This is our first one. And the second one is over there. The yellow. Look at its color. And the third one is hanging over here. Wow, isn't it cute? I'll show you the small one. The tiny little one, growing yet. I wanted to see how it grows. And here is another small one. Cutie, you're hiding, right? Wow, I like to harvest these cucumbers. But I took a resolution. Whenever I pluck a fruit or a vegetable, I want to try to plant a new one. So I want to plant these fenugreek seeds before I harvest those cucumbers. I soak the seeds for about 5 to 6 hours so that I can expect an early germination. Fenugreek seeds take just 3 days to germinate. Now I harvest my cucumbers. Wow, 3 little cucumbers. Thank you so much, Creeper. Let's make yummy pickle with these cucumbers. Let's peel the cucumbers. Oh, this is so strong. Let's cut into pieces. Wow, juicy and crunchy. Not bad. I'm chopping this for the first time. Here are the ingredients. For 250 grams of cucumber, you need 5 to 6 red chilies, salt to taste, 5 to 6 garlic pods, 3 tablespoons of mustard, and 5 to 6 tablespoons of oil. I enjoy peeling garlic this way. Roll, roll, roll and roll. Let's grind all these except cucumber with a spoon of water to make a coarse paste. Add oil to this paste and mix it well. Now add the cucumber pieces and mix it again. Looks like a salad. Wow, my pickle is ready. I want to taste it. strong aroma of freshly ground mustard. The garden fresh crunchy cucumbers with garlic is awesome. You have to try this. I will have this recipe with hot rice and homemade ghee. Don't you want to grow your own cucumbers? Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.